Hello everyone, this is Stepan and today on my channel we're gonna do something fast.
1 hour later.
I wanna do something like Marilyn Monroe. Okay, let's start. It's a thermal water. Let it dry, let it dry. Today for the primer I wanna use e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. Let me grab this one. Nice peachy color. Do I want to warm it up on my hands first? Let me try to apply with hands. I haven't tried it before. Just to heat up the product. Okay, and I have a lot on my face already. So let's see how it's gonna perform today after I apply it with my hands. Don't use your hands if you have your brushes. Oh, I forgot to. Oh my god. Cats! Again. Okay. So this is the primer. Oh, I hope it's everywhere. Tell me if I missed something. I didn't shave, so don't mind my beard today. For the eyes, let's use MAC Prolonged Painterly, I don't know, fluffy brush like this one. Let's apply it to the brush, and I will apply it under the eye as well. Oh, I forgot to apply concealer. Who needs concealer? Let's do the base. No, I don't think it's a good idea. Let me apply concealer first. Let's do the e.l.f. concealer 16-hour camo. Yeah, I will apply it here and here. And this is the final look. What we did for the day. Will work well. Should be good. Let's go for the prolong again. Give me a sec. I need to turn off my oven because my Marilyn Monroe pies is ready. Okay, my pies are ready. I think I burned them a bit, but it's alright. It should be fine with you guys, so I'm not sharing. So sorry. It might be a bit messy today, but in Marilyn's makeup, since they did it in the 50s, I don't think they have a lot of tools to speed up the process as we do. Let's move on to the next step. Next step is gonna be eyeshadows. The Pure Nude by Catrice eyeshadow palette. I used it probably once. I didn't like it, so I put it back. I'm gonna use the flat brush. It's from Barocco number F214. And let me grab this color and we go ahead. Since I have a hooded eye, I look straight, but I wanna darken the area right here when I touch in my crease. So this one is gonna be darker. And you see it's kind of not that bright. It's not bright at all. So I can be messy with this. I also need to put it a bit in my outer corner right here. Ooh. And we're going down today, not as we usually do into the temple. Today we're going down here to make it look like eyelashes right here when we look at it from the bottom up, like Marilyn did. If it's incorrect, you can share all your thoughts down below. I hope it had a mirror here. Good, I think it's enough. Next, let's darken the outer corner. Oh, let me blend it a bit with this. I want to soften a bit. I want it to look too crazy, like I just stole this makeup palette and decided I'll do makeup before the police arrives. Should be funny joke, guys. Anyway, should be fine. What about the second eye? Let's leave it like this. Let me grab a pencil like this and go back to its amazing palette. Okay, I would use the darkest shade for underneath the eye on the outer corner, not to go too far in. Let's do Baroque. It's R216. Grab the dark one, what we use on the outer corner, and go here just on the outer eye, and we kind of blend it as well with this. Let's do the same on the outer eye. Next step, let's do brighten up waterline in my eye. Make the eye bigger. When I use Makeup Forever in the shade of 500 is Bondless Biscuit. I love Makeup Forever pencils since you can use them on lips, on eyes. We will apply it to the lower lashes, and we're also gonna do it on top of the eye in inner corner. Let's do the other side. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and do mascara. Today I got a mascara from e.l.f. This is Lash and Roll, and it has a brush which from one side is pretty small and short, and the other side is for combination. So if I decide I need to remove something like small pieces of mascara, I can use the brush from another side. Okay, let's do the lower. Oh my god, I got it in. So what is next? Let's do the bright pencil under our eyebrow. So let's create the pencil technique. It's gonna be curved since it's 50s. It's not like nowadays when we're trying to move everything to the temple. This one is gonna be long. Next, let's do eyebrows. I don't have foundation on, so I don't know if it's a good idea at the moment, but let me use the same palette what we use for eyes. And I'm gonna grab the first shade we used on our eyes. Ooh, above the pencil we used. Okay, this eyebrow is ready for this very fast tutorial today. It's probably a bit orange for the eyebrow. Since this is the darkest part of the eyebrow usually. I don't know about 50s, but it's definitely right now. Good. I love it. It's more like foxy eyebrows today. So since we didn't use foundation, it's a good time to use fixing gel for eyebrow. Which one do you want to use? We're gonna go ahead with Benefit. Yikes, it looks like I'm applying something white to my eyebrows. Ugh. I mean, I hope it will turn transparent. I believe it will. And I'm applying it on an area where I have already eyeshadow, not in an area where I have still hair and I have a pencil there. I feel some fix. It's enough. What is next? Okay, let's blend a bit the lower border of the pencil what we applied underneath the eyebrows. Do the second side. Maybe I went too far with the eyeliner above my lips because I need to do foundation first probably to look beautiful. Let's do the foundation. What we're gonna do today for foundation? Okay, for foundation today I'm gonna use Futurista in the Glass by Stellato with this pipette. Let's do with a blender today. I usually do it with the brush, so let me try to do it with the blender today. Ears as well. And this is what I'm talking about, since I already have it on my eyebrows. What would I do? It smells like watercolor or like gouache. Pretty soft. I know there's gonna be more coverage, but let's do what we do and just keep applying it. Probably 2 pumps is not enough on my face, and the sponge grabs a lot. Will it cover my beard? You see, all the pencil what I apply is gone from lips. Everything disappeared. And step by step we're turning into Marilyn Monroe. Probably I will need to switch to a brush to finish. No, I will end up with bad coverage. This foundation glows. Okay, let me also apply concealer right now. Also use this brush. Not brush, beauty blender. This is pretty yellow for me compared to the foundation we used. So I want to try HD powder today by Elf. I had it for a long time, but I don't remember when I tried it and if I tried it at all. Probably got it and just put it on without using it since I didn't know how to use it. Yeah, concealer kind of not fan of that. Okay, let's do the chin. I don't know, I'm doing Marilyn Monroe with all this correction on my face. Still have product. I need to reapply. Okay, it's also good. Less product to use today. Probably still missing somewhere. Foundation. Oh, it's too pink. I don't know. It's probably too pink, that's why. It looks for me a bit crazy. It's probably too light for you. Let me set the concealer with the powder. Will we? Yeah. HD powder by Elf. I have not used it. Why is it everywhere? Okay, and I'm gonna use the beauty blender again. It's not bad. I will use it underneath my eyes since it's white. Concealer is yellow, that's why I don't like it. Powder is fine. Ooh, I drew a huge nose for myself today. Let's move on to another area. Contour for the nose, probably. After all this, let's do Makeup Revolution London. Let me grab a brush like this. Ooh. Why it's so huge today? Okay, let me blend it with a beauty blender. Is it better? Well, I look like a clown because I use the white powder. Hope it's not this. Let me do the side contour as well. Yeah, this foundation definitely not for the beard, but let's not care about the beard right now since we're doing Marilyn Monroe with a beard. Temple area. I'm done with this. Oh my god, so yellow! I can see it's yellow. We're left on the lips. I still have them pretty white here. Okay, and the glammin. Let's do false lashes and then we'll draw eyeliner on top of that. Ooh. Let me try these lashes today. I'm gonna cut it as usual and glue them to each other on the outer corner. Let's draw a liner. So let's use this one. It's KVD eyeliner in the pan, so it's top pearl black. Okay, let's draw the eyeliner on top of our lashes. This trick I never tried before, so let's go ahead and try from outer corner. You. Okay, let's leave it like this. I don't know if it's perfect to be like that. Okay, let's do the second eye. I think for me it's enough. Because since my eyes don't have a lot of space, already messing up. I did. Let me apply mascara and we'll move on to the lips. Of course, we forgot to draw the pencil inside the eye. Mix in black. Okay, eyelashes are done. Let's do the lipstick. Let's do red. My lips almost looks like I already been at Kennedy's. Okay, let's do the powder. It's supposed to be a fast tutorial. Let's finish it with the powder. Let's use Huda Beauty today. And the eyes is pretty yellow. Let's add some blush. Let's add some blossom. I think you can see it right now. Do I look like a Marilyn Monroe today? Okay guys, I think I prepared the wig. I did not like comb it yet. I won't glue it today, so please enjoy the view. What did we do today? The verdict, I don't recommend. Use the e.l.f. Cosmetics for your concealer in the light beige. First of all, it's too yellow for me. And second of all, I still have a lot of creases right here. I think you can see it. What else? HD powder, probably too light for me, even though I applied just on the area where the concealer went. But with like even using the different powder for all over the face didn't help it, and you definitely need to shave before you do it. I curl it with the bar like 125. So this is pretty much it. This is kind of Marilyn Monroe. Oh. Thank you guys for watching me today. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. And please look at my wig, what I have to do all this day long to prepare a video like this for you. And I will enjoy if you appreciate my work as well. Don't mind my beard, it's still there, it's still regrowing and you can see it easily, but if you don't look down, what about the eyes? Do you have the same look as she did? I think I did. This was Stepan and I hope you enjoy the video as I do. Thank you guys, bye! Boop boop be doo.